Everyone is all about protein supplements today, but with it are apprehensions surrounding the possible presence of toxic compounds. We at Prayoga Institute of Education Research did not want to be left behind. #FOMO. No, we did not want to try the powders ourselves. We planned to check the 6 SAB's favorite in our laboratories. We collected 6 samples of protein powder from different brands. Then, with the help of Kishore Kumar Sandogi, manager, Instrumentation facility, we tested the samples out. At the sophisticated Instrumentation laboratory, we ran multiple protein powder samples through the state-of-the-art instrument called ICPOES. What is it, you ask?
ICPOES, which stands for Inductively Coupled Plasma Optical Emission Spectroscopy. This is a very powerful technique and widely used technique to analyze elements. For sample preparation, the solid protein powder samples are first dissolved in concentrated nitric acid on a hot plate, increasing temperature. The acid helps break the solid into clear liquid and releases the elements trapped inside it. This liquid form allows the instrument to easily measure the elements accurately. We took the FSSAI parameters as a baseline and tested for heavy metals using the ICPOES. We tested both vegan and whey protein powders for heavy metals. Only one sample came back positive for lead concentration above the permissible limit, that is 2.5 parts per million. We got 3.3 parts per million.
This was an exercise we carried out in-house to test our state-of-the-art equipment here at Prayoga. And guess what? We passed with flying colors.